The new husband won't honey, I believe what someone's trying to say is, whatever both of us do, don't respond to whatever it says. Is that it?
Right.
Both of us have not. Yeah. Also, Lord won't put up with them. Sure. Honey, tonight, right?
Yes.
I had to say no, I said yes. Why did you? Honey, it's only good for me you want me. Did you know that?
I don't know.
Put it all together and what? It's only good for Chris and Sharon only. It ain't good for nobody else. That why the dog makes you think shit. Whatever it does and says, we will not respond to that. No, it's true. Also, someone just what with others. Truth. I never said anything. Honey, touch my hand, I can touch the board.